Okay. Okay. We're recording. Get start. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Sarvan Sambuddhasa. So God even everybody, Yesterday I already introduced the only way to attain Nibbana. The only way. But the only way is to practice four foundation of mindfulness, four satipatthana. Among the four satipatthana, one is a kaya nupasana satipatthana. Kaya meaning is mindfulness in the body. This body is a namakaya and rupakaya. Materiality and materiality. Not only materiality. Materiality kaya also. Especially. Among the kaya nupasana, one is anapanasati. Therefore, even you practice only anapana, or you can take nibbana. This is also the only way. So Buddha say in mindfulness of breathing in the chapter, to attain arashit, arapat knowledge and tuition knowledge until the arashit like that. So every chapter Buddha instruct teaching. Buddha teaches every chapter to attain arashit like that. So many chapter in the Master practice because many kind of the student. One student, they are and institute are different. So like that, even he like the anapana. But Mrs. Who he like the another meditation like the Sina like that, maybe different. Therefore, Buddha explain different way of the mindfulness like that. But important is samatha vipassana only. Samatha is the concentration. Samatha is what? Concentration. Vipassana is the insight knowledges. So samatha is to develop concentration, samadhi. Ten, ten, tenly. Now is insight knowledge, 智慧. Ten. Based on the sila, jet. So jet ten hui. Jet ten hui. Jet ten hui. Jet ten hui. This is a main point. Three trainings are main points. They're very simple. Jet ten hui only. Even the Buddha explained many ways, all under the jet ten hui only. Jet ten hui only. Jet ten hui. Only this you have to catch jet ten hui. Sila samadhi panya. So dana also under the sila. Dana generosity. Sometimes you offering or going for Gongsan, offering Sangha, offering Buddha, everything under the sila. Sometimes Buddha explain 5 precepts or 5 great dana like. You just said undertake the 5 precepts. Ujek. This ujek also ujoda ta koyan. Ujoda ta koyan. Very great offering. Mahadana. Buddha said not ordinary dana. Mahadana ta koyan. This ujek is a ta koyan. Ujoda ta koyan. Why? TE, number 1, you are never killing other living being. This meaning you are function. The function is that you are always giving the free from danger for all living beings. You are always offering offering the function. Function meaning is that you are releasing the other people's life. You are safe other people's life. So sometimes you want to eat the chicken, but you not kill the chicken. Because you protect your sila. Or I shall not kill the chicken. So no, I shall not eat now. After the chicken not die lah. No, chicken not die because you are sila, right? And then you are offering the chicken life. No? This called Mahadana. You are offering the chicken life. Releasing the chicken life. Understand? So this also very important the Tapuyan. Great offering. Great offering, Jivita Dana. You are offering the other people's life. Never you killing other living being. Right? So this is number one, the Tapuyan. The great offering. So number two, you are never stealing other properties. Number two percent. Because you all living being never lost their property. Their property very safe. Even though not lock their house, not lock the car, nobody is stealing. So free from danger. No, because you are sila, all people are safe from danger like that. So in the world, every people they are practice 5%. In the United States, no need a police station. Correct? Yeah. No need a police station, right? Nobody lost their property, right? Because every people they are offering their Mahadana, Abhayadana to every people. No? They are very safe for their property. No? So these are not offering the requisite, no? Just you are planting your sila. Automatically you're offering the Abhayadana. Very great offering to others. No? This is number two great offering. No? So number three, you never commit the sexual misconduct. Because you nobody harm from the sexual misconduct. Like, no? Many young lady can travel without company comfortably because nobody disturbing them, right? So they are free from danger. No, this called number three, very great abhaya, dangerous, no, not dangerous offering. Number three, no, understand? So number four, not telling lie, no. Nowadays, many people telling lie now, no, they are cheating each other. At the time, many problems arise, no. That's the whole world, all are, no, practice 5%. At the time, their communication are very easy each other. They believe each other, no, and also never angry each other because they are very honest each other, no. So trading also they are very honest each other, very simple each other. At the time, each other are always they are happy like that, no. So these are we are offering the not danger offering like that, no. This is another form of Mahadana. No, great offering. Number five is never drinking alcohol, never taking intoxicant. No? So you can see one family, no? One family member are always drinking alcohol, and then all family members are very worried and they are not happy. Like father is always drinking alcohol at the time. Other family member, wife also not happy. Son, daughter also not happy. After drinking alcohol, this person sometimes beating to the wife also. Right? Sometimes speak the harsh speech, no appropriate speech each other like that because of that drinking alcohol, right? And also sometimes one family member they always addicted heroin or some intoxicant. At the time, son are always using the intoxicant, heroin, like that. At the father, mother worry a lot, right? So if the person never taking intoxicant, he always under 35%, and the father, mother always happy, right? Or our son are very good, our daughter are very nice. We no need to worry, no, no. Their percent are very good. They are very dutiful like that. So these are offering the happiness to their family members, at least the one family also, no. So you can see the more the outside the family like that. One the community, this person is still very good, and that he always offering the dangerous abhayadana to others. Correct, right? So one community like that, one association, one society, one is a correction a lot. No, he are taking correction a lot, corrected. And then other member also not happy because of him. No? So therefore, one association, one community, everybody are practicing 5%, they are very happy each other. No? So this 5% are offering, because therefore Buddha say dana is under the sila. Dana is under the sila. Dana offering is under the virtue. No virtue. Understand? Therefore Buddha emphasize no Chetting Hui only. Sila Samadhi Pinya. Because dana are under the sila. No need to say dana. No, emphasize like that. No? So therefore, Masitana Sutta also emphasize the Chetting Hui. Sila Samadhi Panya. No? No? Virtues training, concentration training, and wisdom training only. This three training also Noble Eightfold Path. No? No? Noble Eightfold Path. No? No? Noble Eightfold Path. No? 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 Pachanta. Pachanta. No? Noble Eightfold Path. No? Because Samadhi and Samasekaba. Right? Right view and right thought are wisdom training. Right view and right thought wisdom training. So right view and right thought are very important to support to the path knowledge and future knowledge. So to get such kind of the wisdom, we need the sila samadhi. So based on sila at that time, right speech, right action, and right livelihood are very important. Sila, three there, three factor or making that. No, noble eightfold path. No, sorry, yeah, no, noble eightfold path. So based on this virtues, sila, yeah, have to develop concentration. Now, sama, wayama, no, chin, right effort, chin, no, right effort, and also right mindfulness, samasati, no, and right concentration. So we need the effort to meditate, no. So you are coming to this place because you have effort. This is a beginning effort. This effort is important. So after reaching this hall, you have to meditate. This is another step of effort. No, during meditation time, although you are not accept wandering thought, you pay attention the meditation object. This is another step of the effort. So effort are many levels. Like no, this called sama vayama. Never accept the akusala thought. Only try the kusala thought. No, kusala thinking only. No, akusala thinking. No, this called effort. No, right effort. No. After right effort, we need the right mindfulness also. So mindfulness, you can see, no, mindfulness is two meaning. One is he take care of the pleasant object. Mindfulness. So in the Chinese, it's called nian, jian nian. Jian nian, you can write the jin tian da jin sin together. This is called current mind. No, jin tian da jin sin. Jin tian da jin sin is called nian. No, right mindfulness. So this meaning is a current mind. You are take care of your present object. But mindfulness another meaning also have. He also remember the past object also he remember. not only present object. Therefore, Buddha explanation are more wider than the Chinese like that. Do you believe or not? No? So therefore, mindfulness are very important. No? So like Anapana meditation object, you are always pay attention, breathing in, breathing out. At the time, we need the mindfulness. Mindfulness is like the hand. So I want to show that this mouse. No? So this mouse is which kind of mouse I want to show. At the time, I have to take this called like mindfulness. After that, I can see by my eye. Eye is a wisdom. So to take this mouse, we need the effort. Without effort, cannot take. No? So mindfulness is like the hand. No, moving is like effort, energy. After that, I pay attention, concentration. At the time, right thought. No, right thought and right view are no. Oh, this is how we the mouse like that. Understand? In the same way, breathing, breathing out also. No, we have to pay attention, breathing, breathing out here. At the time, we need effort also. We need the concentration also. We need mindfulness also. At the time, only wisdom know this breathing in or breathing out. No? Three sila factor already practiced. At the time, no need the sama vacha, sama kamata, sama ajiva. Right thought, right action, right ability, no need at the time. Five factor already working at the time. Samadhi and pinya only. No? No? Concentration and wisdom only working at the time. No? So if you practice anapana like that, at the time you can get the 5 or 7 benefit here. No? Number one, for the purification of beings, you can see. No? Do you want to purify? You have to try anapana, etc. No? Masitana practice. No? Number two, for the overcoming of the greed and limitation, Soka and Prideva. No? Soka and Prideva. No? Soka, greed and Prideva, limitation. So Soka is a Soka also hot, limitation also hot. They are dosa group, hatred group, anger group. For Soka and Prideva, how to differentiate? Soka is just worry only. Limitation at the time coming out speak also. Like that, some the mother, so we can see sometimes in the cemetery, how their son are dying, and then they are worried. After that, they not stop. They also cry, speak out. Oh, my son, separate me like that. This called prideva, lamentation. Lamentation is have the speak out like that. So lamentation is more hot like that. So for example, no, sometimes in the kitchen you cook, no, you cook the wine, no. Sometimes you want to cook the wine that you want to wine. At the time starting the fire. At that time slowly hot. No, this is like the Greek worry. After that, no, sound appear. This called pre-deva limitation. No, hotter than the beginning state. No, not fast here, not yet sound yet. But hot, starting the warm as hot. After that, sound coming. This called limitation. No. After that, no, this point increase because the too hot. No, increase and many bubble coming out. Bubble coming out and some bubble are pour over the pot or cup. Now you can see. After that, no, they are slowly drying wine. No, and the time also hotter than the bubble stick. Because too hot, slowly drying. No, slowly drying. This state is called upayasa state. No, upayasa is a despair, but here not say that. No. So in the Pradija Sopada, no, I will explain put it in the sometime, no, Pradija Sopada, Pradija Sopada, sorry, Pradija Sopada, sometime, Buddha say, Pradija Sopada, yeah, Vijja Pitya Sankara, because the ignorance, no, here, yeah. Because the Vijja ignorance, Sankara, volitional formation, right, no? Because the volitional formation, Vijnana consciousness, right? Because the consciousness, Nama Rupa, materiality, right? Because the material, Nama Rupa, materiality and materiality, Salayana, same base, right? No? Because the Salayana, Phassa contact, right? Because the Phassa contact with an feeling, right? No? Because the feeling, craving, Tana, right? Because the craving, clinging, Upadana, right? No? Because the clinging, becoming Bhava, right? No? This Bhava is a Kama Bhava, no? And Upapati Bhava, no? Kama Bhava meaning is like Kama, like that, no? Like Kusala Kama or Akusala Kama, like that, no? Because the Kusala Kama, Jati, rebirth again, no? Because the rebirth, no? Aging, old, and death are arise. Sometimes you are not yet arrived at noble state, and that sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair also arise. Upayasa. No? Soka, Parideva, Dukkha, Domanas, Upayasa. No? Soka is a grief or sorrow. Parideva is a limitation. No? Limitation is the sound. Other than Dukkha is a body pain. Domanasa is a mental pain. No? And despair, Upayasa also arise. This Upayasa is a very hot state, hottest state called Upayasa. No? So in the example, this wine are increased and overflow after that, slowly dwindle. Such kind of state are despair state. No? So in the cemetery, some mother, no, they cry a lot. They cry. Finally, they cannot cry. No, they are afflicted. Too hot at the time. No, sometimes they are unconscious. Understand my meaning? Because at the night too hot, cannot cry. This is a despair state. Despair state. So all are dosa group. No, all are dosa. No, very hot. Dosa make the hot inside. No? So soka, sorrow also hot, lamentation also hot, despair also hot. All are hot. No, no. So not comfortable. Body are not comfortable. No. So therefore, in the Mahasitana Sutta, no, for the overcoming of the greed and limitation, no, this also benefit all the practicing Mahasitana Sutta, such as Anapana practice, etc. No, okay, no. Now number 3, Dukkha Domanasana Athigamaya. Dukkha is a pain. Domanasa is a metta pain. No, no, Dukkha and Domanasa. No, for the extension or disappearance of pain and sorrow. No, pain and metta pain, body pain and metta pain. No, for Dukkha and Domanasa. No, Dukkha and Domanasa. No, so like the Patajari Buddha time, one very famous Arahant Bhikkhuni name called Patajari. Patajari is before meeting the Buddha, no, she became the abnormal. She became the abnormal because the same day husband also died. Now two sons also died. No, father and brother also died. No, therefore, no, his mind are become abnormal like that. No, he cannot he cannot he cannot he cannot bear no such kind of condition. So this such kind of the worldly condition are very strong for her. Therefore, her mind are become abnormal. No, he threw away his evil clock also. He threw away his clock also. At the time she naked, she ran away like that. No, she cannot control her mind. No, because abnormal. No, because a lot of the dukkha and domanassa at the time. No, but luckily, no, she reached to the Jetavana monastery. Buddha is preaching Dhamma. No, at the time, no, she want to meet the Buddha. Buddha also allowed. No, so in front of Buddha, the Buddha called very nicely. At the time, she remember she had a little bit get mindfulness. No, at the time she very shy because she had know the clock, right? At the time, some people give the clock. And then wearing the clock, and then she listened the Dhamma. No? After that, she realized, after listening the Dhamma, she attained the path knowledge and to change knowledge. No? So very wonderful, such kind of condition. No? She also became the Arahant later. No? Such kind of people become the abnormal. No? Before meeting the Buddha. No? Sometimes, therefore, no? Some conditions are very wonderful. Sometimes we don't know. No? What condition will meet like that. No? So only Arahant only not shaken, even they met very bad condition. No, Pa Po Che Puto. Pa is the eight kind of wind blew at the night. He never shaken. No, Pa Po Che Puto. No, eight loka dhamma strike never shaken. No, this is only Arahant only. So we are still the normal people. Sometimes our mind are crazy. Therefore, each other shall be ask forgiveness. Shall not be criticize each other. Because we are not yet Arahant. Because Arahant only they are qualified people, perfect people. We are not yet qualified yet. We are still the normal people, right? Sometimes we also crazy. But have to practice this Masvithana practice. So Patanjali also, after become the bhikkhuni, she a very special bhikkhuni, Patanjali, very special. He's a foremost bhikkhuni in the Vinaya. She is a Mahasavika. Such kind of people also, become abnormal at the last life. This is the last life of his samsara has her long rebirth. Even at the last life also she became the abnormal. Why? Sometimes Putujana, normal people are like that. Sometimes always, crazy like that. So therefore, we cannot know. Oh, these people are now they are crazy, but later she became Arhan also like that. She also very rich family born, very rich family daughter like that. But she followed her attachment, so she falling in love with the slave of her house like that. At the time, slave also very afraid, if her father mother know, so he very afraid. At the time, she also called the husband and run away from the house. Therefore, there are many problems occur because of the love attachment. Attachment to the husband. Young people are like that. Young people are like that. Sometimes, blind. Love make blind. Correct, right? love, loba. No, this is not love kind of metta. This is attachment. Attachment made people I'm blind like that. Therefore, she facing many difficulties. Yeah. So after practicing Mahasithana Sutta, Mahasithana practice, she also became the extension of the pain and sorrow, overcoming grief and lamentation also. Before she all the crying because husband also dying, two sons also dying, society, father and brother also dying, right? How many people died? 5 people died. No, like the animal upward like that. Animal upward also like that. No, sometimes the whole family, one people only escape, the rest are dying. No, the same day dying like that. No, sometimes husband and wife only stay. No, husband buy the coffee for the wife. At that time, earthquake coming. At that time, the wife died inside the house. Husband come back at that time, wife already cannot find. House also already collapsed. At that time, husband cry a lot. Oh, you and me are too old. Now you are separating me now like that. Yeah. No? This sometimes come out also like that. No? Why husband escape from the danger? Husband is karma, don't like karma. Now therefore, at the time he had to go out of the house. At the time, wife only inside. They are very old, like 75 years old, like that. Wife also 75 years, husband also more than 75 years, like that. Like grandmother, grandfather stay together one house. So grandfather coming, grandmother cannot find. Now until now cannot get the dead body also because collapse the building, right? Cannot find the dead body also. No. So already 3 days now. So this hopeless to get the stay alive. No problem. Huh? Not possible now. No. But now they are trying to save people now. Sometimes can get some people not yet die now until now. So stay alive now inside the under the house now. Stay alive. 3 days they are survived without eating, without drinking water. A lot now. So many country people come and they are helping a lot now in Myanmar. Okay, so number 4, Nyaya Sa Adhikamaya. For attaining the right way is a part knowledge. Here, right way means a part knowledge. Sotapati Mega, no? Sotapati Mega, string entry part knowledge. And Sagadagami Mega, no? One time retainer, Sagadagami. So Sotapanna never go to the Apaya. So that's street enterer, no need to go Apaya because there she has no the wrong view. No wrong view, no the doubt. No doubt about the Buddha Dhamma Sangha because she realized the workings of karma by direct knowledge because she realized that nowhere true of the suffering dukkha and nowhere true of the origin of the suffering dukkha. Because dukkha sitya and samudaya sitya. Nowhere true of the dukkha and nowhere true of the origin of the dukkha. These are causes and effect only. Cause and effect. Cause and effect we call the workings of karma. Karma and karma result like that. This karma also supported by the ignorance, avijja, and craving. Yesterday I already explained. No craving, no ignorance. This karma cannot produce this life. Kusala karma or akusala karma produce because the ignorance support and craving support. Craving support. So I will say one the story again. This is the one Sally story. Yesterday was the one Sally. This Sally is a previous life. Previous life. She was a soldier. Soldier, man, not a female. This life is a Sally, female. Why she became the man to female? Because soldier life. One he very tired every day. He go to the work. Soldier life. They reach sometime one village. And then this village has a one Chitiya, small Chitiya, village Chitiya like that. Village. Every village has Chitiya in Myanmar tradition. Every mountain also has a Chitiya like that. So she also, their army group also stay the one village. At the time, evening time, he go and the Chitiya, he pay respect the Chitiya. At the time, many the villager lady also come in. Villager lady are very happy. Each other conversation, speaking. They also pay respect. They also offer flower. They are very happy. Seeing such kind of lady group, he very admire. Oh, lady like are very good. Right? Lady like are very easy to do kusala. Here also, how many people lady? Lady are more here. No, men are only two only. Very rare, right? Most people, most are lady. Lady like are very easy to do the kusala. Uh, so all our men like are very tired. Every day have to go to work. Better to become a lady. Such kind of attachment is working. Such kind of attachment is surrounded his kusala karma. Every time he also do the respect to the GTR, right? Every time his kusala karma surrounded by to become want to become the lady life. Therefore, this life in this life she became the lady woman. So because the previous life she was soldier, right? Sometimes have to kill the other. This called killing akusala karma also. No, but kusala karma produce the human being life, not akusala karma, because our human being life is a sukati, good destination. Therefore, kusala karma produce this human being life because the akusala karma, some akusala karma, she had a lot of the diseases, especially the heart disease. She tired, like asthma like that, like asthma. So she also ordained in Mount Nepal. No, say age with me, say age with me. But 10 years ago she passed away because a lot of the problem, heart problem, because the previous like soldier killing others sometimes. This akusala karma are sometimes disturbing to be short life like that. No? I know you dies, luckily. Maybe I'm not killing other maybe in the previous. Sometimes very connecting with the past life. So she born in this life, no? Even though she is a lady, right? Her nature is a man like that. Because previous life, no, she was a soldier, right? She want to read always the army story only. some magazine she read, this like the soldier magazine only she read. Like the man, like that, because habit, previous life habit are come to this life also. She are like the man, even though she are a lady, right? She doesn't want, she's not interested to the wine, no wine friend. So she easily took order as a Sally, and but not last long the life. So 10 years ago, she already passed away, no, in Nepal already. So same age with me. So she not yet died, maybe the same age like me, like, but she already passed away before COVID, and then she already passed away before COVID. She many time operation also ending. Finally, cannot save her life. Okay, she know that she can practice. She explain me. She got meditator. She got meditator. She know that her past life. She know past life. Because she had got samadhi, concentration. So she can see her past life, right? Past life. Even those, according to the Vipassana Jnana, can see Namarupa only, but sometimes some the concept, some picture also can see, like some image also can see. So at the image appear at that time, have to discern Namarupa. At the many Rupa Kalapa, you can see the many particles, many Rupa Kalapa, like that. At the this Kalapa, you can see Kamaja Rupa or Chidija Rupa, Uruja Rupa, Haraja Rupa. No, you can analyze. At the other, you can see the thought process and the past life thought process. No, at the time near that time also you can see near that time which nimitta, which sign appear like that. So I will show near that time. No, people has a three kind of sign. No, near that time, yeah, near that time, near that time. Three kind of sign appear. No, karma or karma nimitta or gati nimitta. No, karma meaning is a good or bad deed or chidana done by him in the past. Sometimes, no, you already meditate before. At the time, near that time you feel I meditating like that. This is called karma nimitta. Like new karma like that. You are free. I am meditating now like that. This is a good karma. Sometimes you are offering dana to the bhikkhu. At the time you free. I am offering dana to bhikkhu like that. Near that time. This is called karma sign.
Do you need to share this file?
Yeah.
We couldn't see the
Can you
file.
see? Okay, I will share again. Sorry, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Karma. Number one, karma sign. No? Karma is the god of bad. No, any deeds maybe appear. No, sometimes you're offering to bhikkhu something, rule or flower, or sometimes you are puja to the Buddha. This is called karma. No? You're feeling I am doing now one offering like that. No? So but also sometimes you are killing the ants, you are killing the mosquito. At the time you feel I am killing the animal now. This is karma, no? Karma sign beer, no? So this amanasana near that time, this object beer. Because this karma will produce this life. So such kind of sign beer. No good or bad like that. So good sign produce a good life. Bad sign produce a bad life. Right? Huh? Sometimes karma nimitta appear. Karma nimitta meaning that during you are doing the offering time, you can see the hall, you can see Buddha image, you can see your offering thing, flowers. This also karma nimitta. This is a good karma, no? Bad karma sometimes, you kill the chicken because you want to eat. At the time, chicken be chicken be like that, no? This is a bad karma, bad karma, no? So karma nimitta are many, no? Karma nimitta is sometimes you offering one kuti, and then a kuti also you are karma nimitta. Sometimes you can see there are many bhikkhu. This also you are karma nimitta, like sometimes the ceremony, big ceremony, you can see this also karma nimitta. So number three is a gati nimitta. Gati is a destination. You will go this place like that. Sometimes you see your future mother also. Once I say, I saw was like my mother. After that he died. Because he will go to the mother womb. And then he saw his future mother. Sometimes future mother stomach also, sometimes he saw, some people see. Sometimes they see the mother house. Because this person were reborn in this house. And then they also see the house in the United States or the desert or San Francisco. Shivali, these people will reach San Francisco. Some people, they see them, they want mission. They want mission. They want mission. According to the Dhammika Upasaka, yeah, according to the Dhammika Upasaka. Dhammika Upasaka is a very famous devotees. Dhammika Upasaka. No? Dhammika Upasaka is a very virtuous lay devotee in Buddha time. No? No? He also many day, every day he do many meritorious deeds, such as regular donation together with a family member, children and wife like that. Every day you do or not donation with the children and wife. Just at least a Buddha puja. You can do it in your house every day. You are Buddha, offering Buddha. Small food also you can offer. Water, food, flower. Easy that. So every day you do together with your family member. This is a good deeds, right? Not difficult, right? No need to do the great offering, just simple offering also can. This is very good. When he was on the deathbed, he wished to listen to the Dhamma and requested man who gathered around his bed. At that time, he invited many bhikkhu. He wanted to listen to the Dhamma talk. At that time, many bhikkhu come in and they chant the Mahasi Prana Sutta. Ekayano yam bhikkhu mego satana visuddhiya, the only way to define living being, etc. So every time he want to listen the motto. Therefore, near that time also, he invited the bhikkhu to come at his house. This is a tradition of Buddha time. Near that time, so invite the bhikkhu. And bhikkhu will recite the Dhammato or Parita chanting. At that time, many the ghosts run away. Otherwise, ghosts will be called to you. Because near that time, your relative ghosts coming and they want to call to you. These are nature like that. Because many ghosts want to stay together with you. Because they are previous time relative, right? They also know, oh, this person near that time. So we call and we go and call. We go and call the even. So careful. At the time, you invite the bhikkhus. And bhikkhu come in, they are run away. Because one bhikkhu come in, many they will also follow. This is a nature like that. So bhikkhu also always invite the deva to listen to the Plata or Dhammato. Samanda Jakawale Su Atala Gachantu Devata Sadhamma Muni Raja Sa Sunantu Sakamakada Dhamma Savana Kalo Ayam Badanda Dhamma Savana Kalo Ayam Badanda, etc. like that. After that, many ghosts are run away. They have no chance to call to you. Yes. So this is a real experience of our bhikkhu like that. So 10 years ago, one of the very famous fellow also very serious in the ICU, intensive care units inside. At that time, the hospital does not allow bhikkhu enter this room. They take care a lot. At that time, many the disabled bhikkhu are worried because they cannot enter inside. And they also know our shadow are nearly dying now, very serious. Very serious. And then they negotiate with the doctor, the hospital doctor specialist. Finally, luckily, doctor alone. Because doctor also cannot save, he cannot recover this patient like that. And then finally alone, many bhikkhu enter. And then 5 bhikkhu, I think they had chance to enter the chant later. So before they enter the time, smell also God, they say. Inside the ICU, smell. smell also go after the chant at the time, bad smell gone. At the time, very fragrant smell appear. This meaning is ghost run away and they were coming. Yeah, this is really. I also believe this like that. No? So finally, the shadow face also very peaceful like that. Finally, like, after the pass away, like finally, luckily, they chant that later like that. So therefore, near that time very important. Near that time, but this person is an already noble person, no problem. Noble problem never go to the apaya. Even though ghosts coming call, they don't follow. But many are not yet noble person, normal person only. No, Putujana. No, normal person, ordinary person only. At the time, many opportunity, many chance to go to the apaya. Because at the time, near that time, their mind are very weak. The relative kind, they also want to follow. This is a nature like that. So one of my friend also explained like that. My friend very serious time in the hospital, in the operation room. At the time, she saw her departed mother coming and calling to her like that. No, her mother already passed away, but she saw her departed mother. Very clear, she saw, very clear like that, and calling to stay together like that. At the time, she doesn't want to follow at the time. She doesn't want to follow. This means that she has a God karma at the time. God karma, no? God karma not to die at the time. No? At the time, operation is successful at the time, luckily. At the time, she recover. At the time, she also replied to mother, I now not follow to you like that. At the time, she recover. No? So like the Dwi, in the Dwi, she met with her mother. No? Her mother. So luckily, she not follow. If she follow, she would die at the time. No? She not follow. Then she recover and she remember everything. So she also explained me what happened in a very serious time like that. So always the departed relative come in a call like that. So careful this situation like that. Huh? But for this Dhammika Upasaka is a non-relative coming because he already noble person at that time. Near that time he already noble person, not the ordinary person. So in the Buddha time. No? So he also want to listen always Dhamma talk. At the time, Bhikkhu they are chanting Satipatthana Sutta like that. At the time, six Deva charity coming. Tiancha, Tianmacha, Tiancha coming, Tiancha, Tianjela cha. No one, six car coming. No, because Chedumara Rajiga, Tauresa, Yama, Tusita, Nema, Dipranimita, Wasavati. No, six kind of the vehicle coming. They also invite, oh, please come my vehicle like that. They invite because his parami, Kusala Kama. No, many they will like him, so they want to invite invitation. 邀请，我要邀请你。I want to invite like that. No, I want to invite. No, they are invite. No, they invite. No, at the time, the Dhammika Upasaka saw this kind of the figure. Like, at the time, many family members also inside the room. No, not only him. No, many bhikkhu also together. This they were no we get no Tiancha only he saw, other people cannot see because his karma they appear right. This called Gadinimeda. Gadinimeda see that only this person only cannot see other people. No, therefore, sometimes near that time, some people they saw many objects like that. They also speak up, oh, which it may be, which it may be like that. These are their nimitta like that. No. So for him is a good nimitta. No, they want we can come in. No, and also invite him. So you want to follow or not at that time? Because he not yet anagami. So they'll have to go there, Dewa like that. No. Anagami no need to go there, Dewa. No, have to go there, Brahma. Because Anagami are 10%, automatically 10% are never go to the sensual world. Human world, Deva world upon sensual world, Kama Sukati like that. So Anagami, not possible to go there, Kama Sukati. Always go to the Brahma world only, Anagami. No? Sometimes they choose the first jhana play, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana, like that. They can choose like that. Some people they choose the Sudavasa, pure about Anagami. No? After reaching pure about, they never come back the other place. They reach to the Rata Mega place. But he had to go to the Deva world, this Dhammika Upasaka. So at the time, family member not see. Only he saw this vehicle, chariot, Deva chariot. At the time, he just listening, not yet finished Mahasithana Sutta. Bhikkhu are reciting. He also listening the motto, and he also saw the Yancha, the Deva vehicle, the chariot. At the time, he want to listen the motto. At the time, he say, please wait. He say to the Deva, not to the Bhikkhu. Please wait. At the time, the Bhikkhu not see the charity of the Deva charity. Only they hear this Dhammika say, please wait. At the time, Bhikkhu, they are confused. Oh, this Upasaka made our recitation to stop like that. At the time, they stop. Because Dhammika Upasaka say, like, please wait. Please wait meaning is to stop the chanting like that. And then all bhikkhus stop their recitation. And then they go back to the monastery. At that time, stop chanting. At that time, Dhammika Upasaka asking, why chanting stop? At that time, family member also crying because many all bhikkhu are go back, right? Or our father are before not like that. Always happy listening the motto like that. So now, near that time, my father may be confused a lot. My father are not good condition, they think. And then I often remember crying at that time, crying. Oh, Wata Papa, Buhauda, like that. No? At that time, this Dhammika Upasaka also asking, why? I not hear any the chanting now. And then if I remember all the explain, oh, Papa, Father, you stop their recitation. Therefore, they go back monastery now. Oh, I not may stop. Only I saw the Deva vehicle only. Where is the Deva vehicle? We didn't see. No? Yeah, I saw many Deva invite me to follow their Deva or Deva war like that. And then if I remember not believe. At the time, no? He told the family that he asked them Deva to wait as Deva were inviting him. So to put it there, to throw the wet or the flower to be clean to the chariot. And then he made the one there, flower garland through, made the truth. No? Okay, Tusita, Deva, chariot, I choose. Because this kind of vehicle, right? Have to choose one. So at that time, he said, I want to choose a Tusita Deva plate. At that time, this flower hanging in the sky. Really, this flower garland hanging in the Tusita vehicle. But remember, they saw this flower garland hanging in the sky. At that time, Dhammika explained, yeah, this flower hanging there, Tusita Deva vehicle like that. At that time, I remember Billy are very happy. So such kind of vehicle is called Kadinimita. No? Such kind of vehicle is called Kadinimita. No? Kadinimita. No? Vision or the born or place or the existence he will be reborn in. No? These are good nimitta. No? So bad nimitta also has. No? Bad nimitta is like the Sona, Arhans Sona father. So son is an Arhan. No? So father is a he many years living by hunting. Hunting is a killing the animal like that. No, his business like that. No, his business. Nowadays the fishermen also like that. Living by fishing like that, hunting. Hunting he was too old to go for hunting. This meaning is many years hunting like. No? So at least he became a man bhikkhu in his son monastery. Because son is an abbot and also arhat. No? Finally, he reached the San monastery and ordained as a bhikkhu. No? When he was on his deathbed, he had a vision that the head round dog, no, very fearful dog, come in to bite him. This also called the Kadinimita. No, Kadinimita. No, as Kadinimita. No. At that time, Arhan knowing our father next destination in Lugo. Seeing the Kadinimita. Because this Kadinimita appear because the hunting karma. No? Even though he was a bhikkhu. No? He was a bhikkhu. At that time, Akusala karma coming to produce their result. No? Therefore, sometimes bhikkhu also go to the head like no? Because bhikkhu also ordinary people at the time, no, very dangerous like that. Bhikkhu also. Now, whether bhikkhu or not bhikkhu, no? Karma is karma. No, therefore, no, bhikkhu sila cannot protect him. So at that time, son also knew, oh, my father Grinimita knew God. At that time, the son is abbot, right? He has many samnila, monastery samnila. At that time, he organized all samnila to pluck the flower in the forest. Very white flower in the forest. Every flower you gather, collect. And then they made the puja to Pagoda. Inside monastery also one Chitiya Pagoda. Like our Tamasari, like the Wepao. Like that. No? We have the Chitiya Pagoda. No? Make him that to rejoice. At the time, they also blame their father near the Chitiya platform. They blame father. And they on behalf of father, they puja flower to the Chitiya. At that time also explain, oh father, on behalf of you, we are puja flower to the Chitiya. Please rejoice. At that time, father stay consciousness. Luckily, at that time, father also rejoice. At that time, Kadinimita change. Yeah, can make the change in the Kadinimita. Because Kadinimita is before the death, 1 day, 2 days before the appear like that. This nimitta are not changing, they have to go the hair like that. But because the Kalyana Metta, they can change the nimitta. And they have to do the new karma. It's like Arhansona understand how to do the new karma. So on behalf of the father, so they make puja to the Chitiya and father also rejoice in this offering. At that time, Giri Nimitta change. At that time, many Devi Nimitta appear. Right? At that time, the father tell into the son, oh, you are new mother coming. You are new mother. You are new mother. You are new mother coming. Many Devi coming at that time. Many Devi. He saw the many Devi. This meaning is a Deva Kadinimita. He will be reborn in this place, Devi place, like that. This meaning. He will stay together with many Devi in the Deva world. At the time, he saw many Devi there in his view, like that. This is called Gadinimita. Sometimes one mention many Devi together. Sometimes they saw like that. At the time, he told to the son, "You are new mother coming." New mother coming. At the time, the son understand. Oh, my father Nimitta changing now. Hair Gati Nimitta to Deva Nimitta. This is good lah. At the time, change to the hair play to the Deva play like that. No, at the time, I also understand. Oh, my father is now good Nimitta now. No? So this is enough. At the time, father also died. After that. Yeah.
I have a small question.
Okay.
You say the new mother, the grandmother, as in the being reborn in the desert doesn't go through like staying in the mother womb.
They not good, yeah.
So does it mean that the mother is just like a protector, not really a mother?
Not really mother, yeah, not really mother. So father say, your new mother meaning is he not yet died, right? And then he saw the Devi. So our mother is already one old wife lah. Now it's a new wife. He thinks there is a new wife. And then he told the first son, your new mother. This means that my new wife coming. Understand? My new wife coming now. New wives.
Yeah, no, but doesn't mean that like only low level you have mother and father, and higher you don't have mother father, right? For any
They are
we will have father.
Tirumarajica only had a mother. So Tauresa, they had no mother. They are spontaneous born only. So Tirumarajica born like the Rukha Deva, Tree Deva, and Ground Deva, they have mother sometimes. They have son, daughter also. Their children also. So according to Vinaya, we can see the sun story. Some people cut the tree at the time. Some the children also die, or some children the arms also cut by the knife. At the time, mother very angry. Therefore, they could not allow to cut the tree. To cut the tree like that. In the Nita Sutta also, 500 bhikkhu meditate under the tree. At the time, Rukha Deva, Tree Deva, they cannot stay on the tree about the bhikkhu. At the time, they are stay on the ground. So many bhikkhu want to stay the whole Vasa, spending great retreat. At the time, many they were angry because they cannot stay on the tree, right? Bhikkhu also not go back. Because their son, daughter are very small, right? They want to stay on the tree like that. But bhikkhu are under the tree, they are meditate. They cannot stay higher than the bhikkhu. So they are very angry that the guest bhikkhu not go back. Some guests are very last long in the house. You are angry, right? Why the guests not go back? They stay continue to my house. In the same way, at the time they are fighting. They made the many the ugly the image. No, they try out the people to go back. Best man, they made the best man, bad image like that. And then many people their mind are restless a lot. And they go back the monastery. Like they are request Buddha to show another place. But Buddha say, I didn't see other place. Go back this place again. This also, we need the place to meditate. The suitable place are very important. So this for 500 people, bhikkhu, this place only they can take the Megaphala, no other places, Buddha knew. So Buddha say you all go back your place like that. And I will teach a Metta Sutta. Metta Sutta. At the time they memorize Metta Sutta, every day they chant. Like that. At the time, many they were love to them again. And they also take Megapala like that. So seeing this story, we need that the place, correct place. So everybody has their correct place to attain Megapala. Here we cannot know, Buddha know. So therefore, Buddha time, every meditator they ask that from Buddha. And also they ask him their meditation also. Which meditation is suitable for us? Buddha knew. Like that. So nowadays we cannot know now. Some teachers they will say, "Oh, I know suitable meditation for you." They are lying, maybe. You should not believe. Because you try yourself. Which meditation you like? This meditation is suitable for you. And also, you successful this place are suitable for you. Like that. So you can try many places. So one place may be suitable for you. Like that. So according to the Meghiya Sutta, Meghiya is the Buddha time, Buddha attendant of the Buddha. At the time, Buddha had no permanent attendant. So my attendant like the one bhikkhu, right? So Jodi is just Kapiya only. Bhikkhu has Sayadaw has another bhikkhu attendant also has. Like Venerable Ananda. Ananda is before permanent attendant, like that. Before Ananda, Buddha had no permanent attendance. No permanent attendant bhikkhu. No. Sometimes Venerable Meghiya, sometimes Pawara, like that. Many bhikkhu changing like that. So that time Meghiya is attendant bhikkhu Buddha. So one day, he saw one of the beautiful mango forest, mango grove. At the time, he liked very much this mango tree. Went out to meditate, inside the mango tree forest. Like that. So at the time, he, asked him the request Buddha. So I want to meditate inside the mango tree. I want to go and meditate because Buddha stay another place. No, he want to go this mango tree forest. He want to meditate there. No, and then the Buddha prohibited. No, reject. You should not go because I had no other attending. No, as long as I allow, you should not go like that. First time rejected. Second time asking, request again. Second time also reject. You should not go like that because I had no other attendance. No? So third time also he request, here. He want to meditate there. So third time Buddha not reject. Oh, because meditation purpose you are requesting, I shall not prohibit that. You know you are time to go there. Buddha allow. Buddha not say no, you should go and meditate there. Buddha say you know you are time. I not prohibited now. And then he went and meditate there. Well, cannot meditate. No, many akusala vita come in. No, loba vitaka. No, loba. And also dosa. And also vihisa vitaka. Vihisa is a torturing to other. Torturing to other. One is want to enjoy the sensual pleasure. Number two is anger. Sometimes dosa also right. During meditation time, no. During meditation time, sometimes attachment, sometimes dosa, sometimes want to torture to other. No, he cannot meditate inside the mango club, mango tree forest. That's why he very surprised. Oh, my son that I very good. I also renounce bhikkhu life now. I want to meditate, but I cannot meditate. Why like that? So this is very wonderful. Never thinking, never thought, never thinking right like that. Now Apusara with that a lot. He not understand. And then he go back Buddha please. And then he informed the Buddha. or Monday I cannot meditate. No. At the time Buddha explained, therefore I rejected. No, your request. I know not suitable for you, this place. Why? That place, no, many years he stayed a previous life as a king. No, not as a bhikkhu. So the king he has a many queen, many wives. So they are enjoying a lot in this place. And sometimes anger also, sometimes order to kill other people like that. Therefore, when reach this place, he has such kind of thing coming back again. They are very concerned with the place, no? No other place he had no thinking like that. Only the right place only the thinking come back again. Because previous life he stayed in this place as a kinship, kin life. So there was such kind of thinking coming back like that. So Buddha knows not suitable for Meghiya. Therefore Buddha rejected like that. No. But 3 times request, right? At the time Buddha not prohibited. No, because I shall not reject it now. I already 2 times already prohibited. No. So he will do himself later. The Buddha allowed. So actually the Meghiya also understand. No. So he come back Buddha please. At the time Buddha is praying. There are 5 things we need for the to ripen the mature. To mature we need the 5 things. Number 1 is the Kalyana Mitta. Kalyana Mitta, good opinion, good friend. Number 2 is Sila. Sila, 85%. Number 3 is suitable conversation each other. Number 3. No. This conversation is related with the meditation and seclusion. No? And also satisfactory. No, they're very important conversation. No? So number 4 is Arada Virya, effort. We need the effort. Number 5 is the wisdom. This wisdom is seeing the arising apparition with all the materiality and materiality, namarupa. Such kind of wisdom also important. So these 5 factors are made to be mature your mind, right? No, so these 5 things are very important. Buddha explained. So based on these 5 things, you have to develop more steps to be attained nirvana. As the Buddha explained, no, asubha bhavetaba ragasa pahanaya. To remove attachment, you should try the asubha meditation. No, puchin, the fullness meditation, repulsiveness. Loving kindness meditation, you should develop to remove your anger. No, anger. No? So lobha is opposite of the asubha. No? So dosa is the opposite of the loving kindness. Anapanasati bhavita bhava vitagu pechidaya. To remove your vitaga thinking, you should develop mindfulness of breathing. Anapanasati. No? No, restlessness. No? Nowadays many people are restless a lot, right? So should try the anapana, mindfulness of breathing. No? No, mindfulness breathing. Very easy lah. You are always breathing out here, right? Just pay attention, breathing out only. No? But this touching point are the important here. Upper this or inside the nose tree. No? So there are 2 holes, right? 1 hole also enough. You pay attention, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out, like no? After that, you know, breathing in, breathing out. After that, concentration also coming together. No? No, at that time, no thinking. No thinking. Try to not to be sleepy. This is important. So you should be sleep fast. No? You should sleep. Remove your tiredness. After that, you pay attention, breathing in, breathing out. Why? You are tired, after that you pay breathing out, you are fall asleep easily. Very easy to be sleep. No? Therefore, you must be fresh at the time. Now, after rest, only you try the breathing in, breathing out here. No? At the time, you know breathing in, breathing out. whether long or short. Sometimes breathing out very fast, sometimes very slow. Never mind. You pay attention, breathing in, breathing out. No? At that time, no thinking. At that time, your concentration higher. And also, some the light limiter appear here. The same place in the breathing in, breathing out. This is called limiter. This limiter also brighter. Finally, like the very crystal light like that. At that time, very powerful, this limiter. No, taking this limiter, you can enter jhana at the time also. Jhana concentration. So breathing in, breathing out can blend to the jhana concentration also. No, first jhana, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana, you can reach. Therefore, Buddha also emphasized this Meghiya Sutta, no, to practice anapana. After successful the anapana, another is anicca sanya bhavitaba, a permanent possession. Asami mana pradikadaya, to remove the conceit mana. No? This is very important. Anicca possession. Impermanent. Always you pay attention impermanent. Materiality also impermanent, materiality also impermanent. No? Other than you have the good concentration. Therefore, anapana practice also Buddha explained. No? After getting the samadhi, jhana samadhi, you have to discern the internal, external namarupa. After that, you also discern the causes of namarupa. Samudaya dhammanupasi, Vaya dhammanupasi, until the Udavaya jnana. Cause arising apparition, momentary arising apparition way. Momentary meaning that every namarupa, they are movement, they are arising apparition way. This is called momentary. Cause meaning is that because the avijja arise, namarupa arise like that. Namarupa see, avijja ignorance see, namarupa also see. What time avijja see, maybe arata mega only avijja stick. Avijja stop because the arata mega. And that I have to see the future also. Therefore, practicing vipassana not only another present, past also have to discern, future also have to discern. But future are not stable, always changing like that. Depending on your present power, future may be changing. Some people, their future are this life. Some people, they change this life to this life. Because your power more higher, future also can change. Future is not yet stable. Because the present condition, future are always changing like that. You are more powerful, the life also less and less. You are vipassana are not powerful as the many future life you have. You have to practice many future life. You are vipassana are powerful, future life are shorter. Sometimes 2 life, 1 life only like that. So some the power yogi they can see their future always changing like that. Because the present condition like that. But to know the cause and effect, have to discern the future also. At that time they understand. Because the avijja seek, the future also seek like that. No? So this cause the rising apparition way. So this vipassana jnana powerful you can attain higher vipassana jnana. And finally you attain mega jnana, prajnana, perception and knowledges like that. No? So these are common practicing. These are normal practicing like that. But in Buddha time, some very good parami like Sariputta, Moggallana, they don't need to go step by step. Just listening one stanza, although they can reach Megaphala. Because in previous life, they had a lot of practicing like that. They don't need to go step by step like that. But now we have to follow Visuddhimagga. Because we are not Goparami, I mean. And because we have to follow according to Visuddhimagga practice. So after learning the Abhidhamma, everybody should learn the Visuddhimagga also. So Abhidhamma is a basic only. After that, to understand the practice, we should learn the Visuddhimagga. The Visuddhimagga is the only way the same like that, not different. And Anapanasati practice are the same. Anapanasati practice, the only way, Mahasithana practice, and Visuddhimagga all are the same like that, not different. Therefore, Pausawji appear in the world. This is very lucky for us. Pausawji can display all are the same like that, not different. And the Bhasaji can restore this original practice. The like Buddha teaching like that. So therefore we are very lucky nowadays. So we need the time to meditate only. So we have just eating only. Bhasaji always prepare food on the table. Understand my meaning? Bhasaji prepare many curry on the table. Just we eating only. But many people they are lazy to eat now. Right? Correct, right? Also, you prepare many curry on the table now, ready to eat. Because already writing many books. So we just reading and practice only lah. No need to find many things like that. So 5 volume, Nibbana Gamini Vidiveda, the practice leading to the cessation of Nibbana or Dukkha, cessation of Dukkha. The way leading to the Nibbana. This is also the only way, like that. So Pausali already prepared on the table. We just eat only. But many people they are lazy to eat now. Sometimes they also doubt, this curry is suitable or not. Right? So therefore, I also encourage all you. So please believe Pausali teaching and please enjoy, please practice accordingly. Accordingly is a Visuddhimagga, right? And you all attain Nibbana quickly. Okay. So any question? So time are a little bit late now. Sorry. I also come late. 7:11 now. Already. Okay, any question? Okay. Okay.
Would you please to explain please the 16 steps of Anapanasati?
Okay, 60 step Anapana. 60 step Anapana is easy lah. Yeah. Yeah. 60 step Anapana. You can see the table, one page only. Oh, sorry, not yet share lah. Okay. Sorry, my memory always forget to share. Okay, share. Okay. Okay. 60 step of Anapana. So breathing in 60, breathing out 60, altogether 32. Breathing in 60, breathing out 60. So Diga, long also, breathing in, breathing out, right? So therefore, number 1 also 2, number 2 also 2. Now breathing in, breathing out, right? So here is the 60 only, no? So have to multiply by 2, other than 32, right? Because we are not only breathing in, breathing out also. So every breathing in, breathing out have to practice like that. So number 1, 2, 3, 4 can practice together. Now whether long or short, you know that the whole set of black at the time, you can try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long or short, experiencing the whole black body and conquering the set of body like that. This body is a breathing in, breathing out only. No? 1, 2, 3, 4 is a samatha practice, concentration practice. No? Can get there until the first jhana, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana. Understand? Long and short. Whether long or short, you try that the whole set of black. No? The whole black is number 3, set of black is number 4. Long is number 1, short is number 2. So whether long or short, why Buddha say whether long or short? Not to control the black, this meaning. Long and short, no, never mind, you try the whole set of black only. No? So very clever Buddha instruction, very clever Buddha. No? If Buddha not say, some people they want to control their breathing. No, they want to make the slow or they want to make the quickly like that. So Buddha said, no need to control the breathing. Now naturally you breathe in, breathing out. Some breathing sometimes long, no problem. Some breathing they are short, no problem. Long meaning is a very slow breathing. Breathing are very slow, this is called long. In the touching point, breathing are very slow like at that time, period. Duration are very long. No? Sometimes very fast. You apply the mountain. At that time you are breathing like very fast. At the time you are breathing short like that. No, short. Whether long or short, never mind. You try to know breathing in, breathing out.
short first or long
No.
first?
No need. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If you control, you are very busy. And also, some you are very uncomfortable. No? Shall not be control the breathing. No? Because our body know this time long, this time short. According to body consumption, the breathing are working like that. Understand my meaning? So breathing needs some oxygen more. At the time they are very fast breathing out. They need more oxygen. Understand? No? Sometimes, no, your meditation very good. At the time, no need too much outside oxygen. At the time, breathing are very subtle, sometimes long like that. Slowly, very subtle like that. No, no. At the time, only you see the breathing and breathing out. No. So for jhana time, no need to outside the air. At the time, breathing will stop. At the time, no need the outside air. This meaning because at that time, this mind, for jhana mind produce the mind born materiality, Chirija Rupa. The Chirija Rupa are very superior Chirija Rupa. Like that. For jhana. Therefore, for jhana time, no breathing. This yogi.
If you want to develop nimitta, or how do you handle nimittas here?
Just see the breathing and breathing out. At the time, breathing and breathing out also the mind born the materiality, like many particles combined together. This called breathing and breathing out. Breathing and breathing out also many particles combined together. These are mind born particles, mind born the materiality. So every particle has this color. Every particle has the color, but we cannot see now. No, but our Western mind can see the color later. This color becomes the nimitta. Understand? Only can see by wisdom. This breathing in, breathing out, you cannot see now. By eye cannot see. No, but this breathing in, breathing out air has a color. Every rupa kalapa has color. Because Ti Shui Wo Fu, no, earth element, water element, fire element, wind element, and color, smell, and taste, and nutritive essence. And a sound also, breathing in, breathing out sound also. Sometimes you can hear the sound. So 9 rupa are always together, each kalapa, each particle. So many particles are combined together. This is called breathing in, breathing out. But Anapana meditation in the concentration time, we pay attention to the concept only. No Paramata Dhamma, no the ultimate reality. We just pay the concept. Kainian. Kainian is the concept. Pinyati only. At the time only we can get the jhana. At the time only the nimitta appear. No? So nimitta is come from the breathing in, breathing out, therefore. Because this is the color of breathing in, breathing out. Depend on the perception, many nimitta appear. So like Sally nimitta and even nimitta may be different because the different perception. Therefore, no?
It will come naturally.
Naturally. No need to create.
It does come.
More pay attention, breathing in, breathing out. Just continue. Have to patiently practice. These are very simple method. No, as long as not yet appear nimitta, just pay attention, breathing in, breathing out only. Easy lah, no need to find lah. You believe that Buddha teaching, right? At the time, nimitta will appear because that you are saddha, you are confident, you are believing. No, really nimitta also appear. Your concentration are higher. I don't want to see nimitta, not possible because your concentration has reached this level. And nimitta automatically appear like that. Light also appear. Outside light also appear at the time. Outside light. No, so light appear that you are 10 direction also at the time. Light also becomes that you are Western. Your wisdom produce the mind born particle, right? Mind born rupa, mind born materiality. Each particle also has the udu tejo dhatu, fire element. This fire element also can produce another generation, urja rupa, because they come from that temperature born like that. They come from the fire. The fire produce a new kalapa. This called the Udaja Rupa, temperature born. The temperature born Rupa can go out the body also. Not only inside the body. Temperature born can be born, can be produced in the outside body also. They also can make many generations. There was some yogi, they can see the outside light also. Or in front of face, they see the light. No? Beside the body, they also see the light because of the temperature born Rupa. So you can see that the screen, this are many particles, they are combined together. No, they are many particles connect together, and then you can see the light now. No, they are all particles only. So our scientists also can be searching on many molecules combined together, many particles combined together like that. They can be analyzed nowadays. No, this Rupa, this materiality. No, they can see the molecule. Molecule also many atoms combined together. They know nowadays, right? No, many no particles combined together like that. They understand now. No, no. So Buddha, no, already no teaches many years ago. No, nowadays scientists already follow the Buddha teaching now. No, they approve Buddha teaching.
You mentioned scientists now, they also measure and understand about the mind, the particle and the mind, one particle.
They not say particle, they say molecule,
Yeah.
and then
Yes.
each atom also the neutron, proton, electron like that. But they cannot see. They cannot see electron, even though the microscope they cannot see. But they believe each atom has a electron, proton, neutron like that. How they work in they can make the formula.
Well, one of my questions is, I heard that maybe 2 years ago or something, there's a team of scientists came to Optinol and to do some measurement and something. Are you aware of that result that come out?
Yes. They can be researched, but they cannot follow what Buddha teaching like that. They are still researching now, not yet finished yet. Their research never finished maybe. Okay.
So is it true that we can only see our own image, not other people's image?
Yeah, only with the only.
So does that mean that we can only see our own Chitta, not cannot see other people's Chitta?
This Vipassana Jnana, right? But Vipassana Jnana can see all Chitta Rupa only. No other. But your Sakya power can see the other people Rupa also, other people mind also, not only Rupa. You have the supernormal power. Like that.
Like a different level.
Different level. Different level.
If in fourth jhana there's no breathing, does that mean the Brahma in the fourth jhana plane also doesn't have breathing?
No breathing. All of them are no breathing.
All Brahma no breathing.
7 people no breathing, according to Visuddhimagga. Number 1, the fetus is the mother womb. The baby in the mother womb. No breathing. Number 2, dead person. Dead person. Number 3, the drown under the water. Drown under the water. No. Number 4, unconsciousness person. No. Number 4, unconsciousness. Number 5, Brahma. Number 6, Anapana, 4 jhana. Every 4 jhana, not only Anapana. 4 jhana concentration. No need to breathe in. Number 7, Nirodha Samapatti. No need to breathe in. No. Nirodha Samapatti. Nirodha Samapatti is a no consciousness. No consciousness at that time. At that time, so Anapana is a mind-born materiality, right? So no consciousness at that time, no mind-born also. At that time, Kamaja Rupa, we have the body temperature at the time. Even though no consciousness had the body temperature, and also the life faculty also has. Kaya, body, life faculty. Because he not yet die, right?
What's the difference between the person who unconscious and the person who in Nirodha Samapatti that no longer produce the consciousness? What's the difference?
Nirodha Samapatti only 7 days only like achievement war. After that they had consciousness again. Because they just enter the Samapatti only. They have stayed the other Puruja Rupa, Ahaja Rupa also stay has. Kamaja Rupa also stay has. Only Chitija Rupa only 6. There's a difference like that. Asanya Satta is no Ahaja Rupa.
What do you
And unconsciousness person is the son they had some operation. Sometimes they have a fitted. They are fitted. After the Boeing mind state. This Boeing mind state. Not like that. So some of the very serious patient, they are unconscious, right? In the hospital. Such kind of people, they sometimes no breathing. No breathing sometimes. But stay alive, not yet die. Not yet die. They use many machine, many device. They stay alive. Okay, not yet finished. 60 steps. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 are samatha concentration step. After that, 5, 6, 7, 8 are according to Vedana Nupassana. Where they emphasize the piti, sukha, and citta. At the line, this is Vedana Nupassana. No? Because sukha is a feeling, right? Happiness. So therefore, they are called Vedana Nupassana. They also enter jhana, after emerge jhana, they also contemplate jhana, dhamma, and rupa, anicca, dukkha, anatta. Not this meaning. So 9, 10, 11, 12 is a Citta Nupassana. They emphasize Citta. Citta also cannot write alone. Write together with them, Cittasika Metta. At that time, they also base Rupa. No? So therefore, they are more emphasize Citta. No? But not alone Citta, no? All 5 khandha have to practice. They just emphasize only Citta. Leader only. Not only consciousness. Therefore, Vedana Nupassana and Citta Nupassana are really the same. Vedana Nupassana, they emphasize the feeling. Citta Nupassana, they emphasize the consciousness, like that. But they are all together arise. So Vedana alone not possible. Consciousness alone also not possible. According to Vidama, right, they are 5 khandha, every mind movement. So after that, 30, 40, 50, 60 is just Vipassana only. No need to enter jhana. Anicca Nupassi, Viraga Nupassi, Nirodha Nupassi, Pitinissaga Nupassi. No? These are pure just Vipassana only. No? This is called Dhamma Nupassana like that. No? So Dhamma Nupassana also based on the concentration. So therefore, the Samanyaphala Sutta, Buddha explained that after getting the 4 jhana, to remove the 5 hindrances. So 5 hindrances is to develop concentration, this meaning. So I have to understand like that. No? So Pastor Yoga writing in this book, in the page number 20, I think, you can read the 5 to 20, you can read. No? Ajatasa to Samanyaphala Sutta. The Buddha explained to remove the 5 hindrances. These are concentration practice. Buddha never said this is samatha like that. But according to Pausa's explanation, this is a concentration practice. Because only Upajjhara Samadhi or Appana Samadhi can remove 5 hindrances. Very deep meaning. No? So therefore, sutta and no practical practice, we have to join like that. What Buddha say in the sutta, this sutta also affect to the Visuddhimagga like that. No? So Buddha say in the Sanyaputta Sutta, after getting 4 jhana to remove the 5 hindrances. This meaning is that we need really the Upajjhara Samadhi or Appana Samadhi. No? After that, Buddha explained not to contemplate the Vipassana like that. So this meaning the Manupassana. So first chapter is the Nirvana Bhava. You can see in Mahasiddhana Sutta. First chapter of the Manupassana is a Pencha Nirvana. No? 5 Nirvana, 5 hindrances chapter. Okay. Okay.
have a question?
Okay.
So you say that we use the concentration to subdue the five nirvanas.
Five nirvana.
Is it possible to use instead of using the concentration practice, but use the I forgot the Pali word, but it's like wise attention and intention.
Oh yeah, Yoniso
Yoniso
Manasikara, yeah.
Can we use that alone to remove or to attain concentration or to remove the five nirvana, or it's not possible? You have to use.
Yoniso can remove the momentary only, not enough, sometimes momentary. So jhana or upajjhara samadhi can remove longer. This longer we need. Yeah. So momentary that just we are listening at the matter at that time, no nirvana, right? We are just listening. This called momentary removing the five hindrances. Just listening time, no nirvana, right? Mind very happy, very fresh. But we need not enough such kind of the level. We need the upajjhara samadhi or apana samadhi to remove longer. So you enter for jhana 1 hour, the five nirvana hindrances not arise there during the duration. This period not arise. Such kind of level we need. Yeah. At the time only can practice vipassana easily.
So the reason I ask is because there's some teacher in Vietnam who used to emphasize only on Yoniso Manasikara, and my friend keep thinking that that's the way to have the samadhi. So that's why I try to have to clarify. So what is the mechanism of why the Yoniso Manasikara only produce the momentary concentration?
Yoniso Manasikara is a many level. Every practice we need Yoniso Manasikara. Therefore, all kusala dhamma depend on Yoniso Manasikara. So, but we need the higher Yoniso Manasikara. So this higher is according to Visuddhimagga, we need the Citta Visuddhi. Citta Visuddhi level. Citta Visuddhi is a sa upajjhara tasamapatiyo. Attainment together with the asset concentration only we call the purification of mind. So we need such kind of level. At the time, according to Visuddhimagga practice, we reach the Citta Visuddhi. So number 1 is a Sila Visuddhi. Number 2 is a Citta Visuddhi. These two Visuddhi are very important. After foundation Ditthi Visuddhi, we can go the Ditthi Visuddhi, etc. Wisdom training. So therefore, we need such kind of level, Citta Visuddhi. Not only the momentary. So momentary also very wide meaning. Khanika Samadhi like that. The Khanika Samadhi are sometimes very low, sometimes high also. But sometimes Buddha Nusati, very high level. Sometimes we also call Khanika Samadhi. Because he had no jhana, right? But his level are very high sometimes. At the time, very similar like the Upajjhara Samadhi. At the time, we accept, okay, you can go Vipassana at the time. Because his Khanika Samadhi are similar like the Upajjhara Samadhi. Because Buddha Nusati have no jhana, right? No jhana, at the time, no neighborhood concentration. At the time, his Samadhi we call actually, really we call Khanika Samadhi. Such kind of Khanika Samadhi is the same like the Upajjhara Samadhi. Such kind of Khanika Samadhi are very high. So therefore, Khanika Samadhi also many level like that.
So is it possible to have to develop psychic power with only that level of concentration?
No. Khanika Samadhi is a Vipassana time. He not yet enter jhana. He already emerged from jhana. Vipassana time is no entering jhana. At the time they are changing the object. No, sometimes materiality, sometimes materiality. This Samadhi also called the Khanika Samadhi. Because at that time he is not entering the jhana. Such kind of Samadhi is called Khanika Samadhi really. Therefore, in the Anapana practice, in the Samadhana Citta, at the time Buddha explained why is the Khanika Samadhi. Samadhana Citta is number 11. Number 11, Samadhana Citta. At the time, enter the jhana. After emerging jhana, he contemplate Sankhara Dhamma, materiality, impermanent, anicca, no, and dukkha and nasa anatta. At the time, this samadhi is called Khanika Samadhi. So Buddha explained Khanika Samadhi are very high. Had to enter jhana first. So after get out jhana, they contemplate vipassana. At the time, only we call the Khanika Samadhi. Right? So no lower Khanika Samadhi, very high Samadhi like that. Because have to enter jhana first. Like that. No? So therefore, so Dhammanupassana also, they are contemplating the vipassana like that. No? Therefore, they reach to the Ratameka Phala after practicing the Anapana. So practicing the contemplating and nature, at the time also he breathing in, breathing out. At the time he breathing in, breathing out. So therefore, Anicca Nupasi Asasasamiti Sikati. No? Practicing contemplating and nature, he breathing in, breathing out. The Buddha explained like that. And then he not only breathing in, breathing out, he also pay attention many materiality like that. Not only breathing in, breathing out only. Breathing in, breathing out also mind born materiality, right? Not only mind born, all materiality, all the mental state, all the he contemplate. So therefore, meaning are very, very deep. Meaning are very deep. So therefore, Anapana Sutta practice and Mahasithana practice are the same. And the seven Visuddhimagga also the same like that. So Savaji explained in this book that so it understanding like that at that time, this is the only way only, not two way. Understand? Only the only way.
Well, can you explain a little bit more about number 8 and criticize the mental formation?
Or eight,
Is that you
yeah.
sure that actively tranquilize your mental formation or you also just experience? But it's different from experiencing. So what do you really do at that tranquilize?
Translation are very poor. They are direct translation of Pali only, but meaning are very deep.
Yeah.
Meaning is have to enter jhana first. Have to enter jhana after that, emerging from the jhana, contemplating the jhana meta formation. This meta formation are consciousness and meta factors. Like first jhana is a 34 meta formation. Consciousness 1 and 33 meta factor, 34 meta formation. And also they are based hadaya mind door rupa, hadaya watu rupa. So have to contemplate nama rupa, anicca dukkha anatta. This is called experiencing the metta formation like that. No? So first have to enter in the jhana. This is also called the citta sankhara parisamvidi. No?
Which channel?
Sorry. Citta parisamvidi. No? Number 9. No? So number 9, 10, 11, 12 are one group. 5, 6, 7 is a one group. 5, 6, 7 is the emphasize the feeling with the anupassana. 9, 10, 11, 12 is the emphasize the consciousness. This only different. But the same object feeling also associated with the other citta and other metta factor. Consciousness also associated with the other metta factor. So Vedana Nupassana also find khanda, Citta Nupassana also find khanda. They say like that. They emphasize only the different. Why Buddha say like that? So according to the meditator, which some people they like the consciousness, some people they like feeling like that. Therefore, some people they like the contact phassa. Some people they like the Manupassana like that. Therefore, so emphasizing only different, but the same object like that. Have to understand. Therefore, you choose one the Nupassana and other Nupassana the same. The practice of the same like that.
But doesn't number 2 belongs to the feeling aggregate?
Not enough feeling only not
No,
enough.
number 9 is the feeling, but then number 2 is belong to the volition aggregate.
Number 9, 10, 11, 21 group.
The 5,
5, 6, 7 is a emphasize feeling. 5, 6, 7, 8 are emphasize feeling with an Anupassana. Because so piti also under the feeling. Sukha also under the feeling like that. So Citta Sankhara also Vedana Sanya, right? Citta Sankhara is the Vedana Sanya. feeling and perception called Citta Sankhara. No, they also under that with feeling. No,
Volition.
no volition. Because according to our Buddha teaching, Sankhara are many meaning. Sankhara, I will say, Sankhara are many. Sankhara sometimes formation.
Right.
Formation Greek also Sankhara. No, sometimes Sabbi Sankhara Anicca. All Sankhara Dhamma are impermanent. At that time, this Sankhara are very wide. All Namarupa. All material called Sankhara. Sabbi Sankhara Anicca, right? Right? And the Dhammapada of the Buddha said, Sabbi Sankhara Anicca Yata Panyaya Pasati. Now, this Sankhara is a more wider. Another is a Vijapatya Sankhara. This Sankhara is a Kama Uli. Kusala Sankhara or Akusala Sankhara. No? So they are, even the spelling are the same, meaning are different. And also this Citta Sankhara is another different. Now Kaya Sankhara is a breathing called Kaya Sankhara. Citta Sankhara is a feeling and perception called Citta Sankhara. Another is a Vaji Sankhara. Vaji Sankhara is a Vitaka. Vitaka, initial application called Vitaka. The Vitaka is called Vaji Sankhara. Without thinking, you cannot speak out. First, you have to think in. So this thinking is called Vaji Sankhara, Vave formation. So this is another meaning. Say Sankhara, but say spelling. Say spelling. Say spelling. Say writing. Say writing, different meaning. So therefore, Pali is sometimes complicated for you. Say pronunciation, say spelling, but different meaning. So Sabbi Sankhara, Anicca, this is one meaning. No, Avijja Pajja Sankhara, another meaning. And Sankhara aggregate, this is another meaning. Now Kaya Sankhara, Vaji Sankhara, Mano Sankhara, this is another meaning. Yeah, these are say spelling, say sound, but different meaning. So therefore, we have to see the commentary also. Sometimes see Pali not enough. Therefore, we have to see the commentary and sub-commentary also to understand the real meaning. So some people, they not read the commentary, sub-commentary, after that their translation are all wrong. So therefore, I have to see the commentary and sub-commentary also. Yeah. Okay.
Step number 7 is after Piti and Sukha. So does it mean that you is required at least third jhana or fourth jhana to be able to have to contemplate number
4,
7?
5, 6, 7, one group, right? They are emphasized within us. 8 star there. 8 star there emphasized there. 9 star there. Theta consciousness. So 7, 8 they emphasize feeling. At the time need to enter the first jhana, second jhana. At the time, piti has a first jhana and second jhana have piti, right? First jhana no piti.
Yeah.
No, number 6 is there. First jhana, third jhana, second jhana, third jhana. No, not fourth jhana. No. Number 7 has a until the fourth jhana. Number 8 also until the fourth jhana.
Until fourth jhana. For number 7.
7, 8. But number 6 is the sukha, is the until third jhana only. First jhana has sukha, second jhana has sukha, third jhana has sukha, or fourth jhana no sukha. Like that. Okay, so you can ask Monday again in the Amata. More questions. We have a question answer session there. You can come and because one session not another or question to answer. Okay, sharing merit now. Idame Pujan Asawakayan Wanahotu Idame Pujan Nibanasa Pachayo Hotu Mama Punya Bagan Sapasatana Pajemi Desabe Desama Punya Bagan Rabandu sa may orte ni Manapagli.
It's